Via Ferrata is a specialized climbing route carefully planned so that it can be assisted by a steel cable fixed onto the mountain as your safety lifeline. This safety steel cable runs from the start to the end of the Via Ferrata in such a way that you will always be able to stay connected and to avoid putting your life in danger. Predominantly, Via Ferrata routes are not as technical as climbing. Their difficulty level ranges from very easy to extremely hard, and in general, they are built to entertain first and to challenge only second. Entertainment is one of the reasons why many Via Ferrata have on their path boulders, bridges, staircases, pendulums, extremely exposed sections, caves, overhanging, slippery horizontal traverses, and even zip lines. Via Ferrata is built with a safety-first mindset because this is an extreme sports activity available even to the less experienced mountaineer. If safety is neglected, the probability of severe injury or fatal fall is high. Based on how Via Ferrata evolved in time, there are two systems used to anchoring the safety steel cable. You either have it well tightened or loose with loops at the anchor point. A well-tensioned safety steel cable will aid the unexperienced climber to get at the summit as fast and as easy as possible, while the loose safety steel cable with loops at the anchor point aims at enhancing the experience and to provide maximum safety with minimum assistance to the more experienced climber. Via Ferrata is a fun mix of hiking, climbing, and sometimes bouldering. A three-dimensional experience virtually impossible not to love.